Hey, this is Philip from Steveston Motor Co. And on today's episode, we are going to give you 3 reasons why and 3 reasons why you shouldn't own a Classic Mini. So the first reason why you should own a Mini is it's a great way to learn about how cars work. Minis are really simple machines, and if you're getting into working on cars or you've already worked on cars before, it's a great lesson because you learn a lot about the simple mechanics of how a car actually functions, what ignition timing is, how fueling works, how brake system works, because you've got a really simplified version. The Mini is one of the easiest cars to work on. There's a ton of information out there, parts are readily available, and people are always willing to help you learn. So if you're looking to get into working on cars or you want to figure out a little bit more about how cars actually work, look to a Mini. The second reason why you should own a Classic Mini is it's a great first collectible car. It's a great collectible car because they're still affordable, although they are coming up in value, so you tend not to lose money by purchasing one. And then also with a Mini, you can go to pretty much any sort of show. You can go to a classic show, you can go to a new show, you can go to autocross or racing. You can pretty much take your car to any event out there that's car related, and people are always happy to have a Mini. So if you have to have one fun car on the side, a Mini is a great option. The third reason why you should own a Classic Mini sounds obvious, but it's to have fun. Most classic cars can sometimes be maybe not so fun to drive when they're very expensive or really fast or kind of hard to see out of. You can kind of lose some of the joy, whereas with the Mini, you can floor it all the time, everyone's giving you the thumbs up, you don't have to be too precious about it, and you can drive it and just have fun. You enjoy it in all weather, enjoy it on a daily use if you want to, or on the weekends. It's a great car if you just want something to be able to go out and enjoy driving. Now for the first reason why maybe you shouldn't own a Classic Mini. The first reason is you don't want the attention. I've never driven a car that gets as much attention as a Classic Mini. It's really funny. If you take out a 911 or a Ferrari, you take out a Bentley or you take out a Jaguar, none of them get as much attention as the Mini. And it's funny because it's not just attention from car enthusiasts, it's attention from little kids and old people, and everyone wants to tell you their Mini story. And every time you go fill up at the gas station, you gotta have a 10-minute conversation with someone who will find you there. So it is something to pay attention to. If you don't want the attention, maybe you're a bit of an introvert, maybe the Mini is not the right car for you. The second reason why maybe you shouldn't own a Mini is if you don't want to have adventures on your daily commute. If you have a job that you just need to get to and you're going to use it as your only car, maybe the Mini isn't right for you. Now, they can be very reliable, and if you maintain them properly, they can be an excellent car for daily use. However, there's always something. I mean, it is an old British design, so Minis are inherent with adventure, let's say. So if you're not looking for that, maybe the Mini isn't the right car for you. Our third and final reason why maybe you shouldn't own a Classic Mini is if you're just gonna let it sit in your garage. Minis are meant to be driven. I think that if you own a car, you should drive it. And if you're buying a Mini and it's just gonna sit around because either you don't have the time or you're not interested in driving it, maybe look for another car because a Mini should be driven. Hey, thank you so much. If you have any things that you think why you should or shouldn't own a Mini, you put them in the comments below. Again, check out our website. We've got lots of cool swag and parts that we put out on stevestonmotorco.com, and stay tuned for more videos. See you on the next one.